Waving hand sign. Hey everyone. Welcome to Word Collection. Today, we're practicing real American English conversations to help you sound more natural and confident. White right pointing backhand index. Don't just listen. Repeat after me and practice aloud. Let's get started. Clapperboard. Scene 1. Ordering coffee at a cafe. Hot beverage. Barista. Hi. Welcome to Java Cafe. What can I get for you today? Customer. Hey. I'll have a medium caramel latte, please. Barista. Sure. Would you like it hot or iced? Customer. I'll go with iced. Barista. Great choice. Anything else? Customer. Nope. That's it. Barista. Awesome. Your total is $4.50. You can pay by cash or card. Customer. Here's my card. Barista. Thanks. Your drink will be ready in a minute. Customer. Cool. Appreciate it. White right pointing backhand index. Key phrases. White heavy check mark. I'll have. A natural way to order food drinks. White heavy check mark. I'll go with. A casual way to choose something. White heavy check mark. Appreciate it. A friendly way to say thank you. Scene 2. Making small talk at work. Woman personal computer. Emma. Hey, Jake. How's your day going? Jake. Not bad. Just a bit busy. How about you? Emma. Same here. This project is keeping me on my toes. Jake. I hear you. By the way, did you catch the game last night? Emma. Oh yeah. That last-minute goal was insane. Jake. I know, right? We should watch the next one together. Emma. Sounds like a plan. White right pointing backhand index. Key phrases. White heavy check mark. Not bad. A casual way to say I'm okay. White heavy check mark. Keeping me on my toes. Means keeping me busy and alert. White heavy check mark. I hear you. A way to say I understand. White heavy check mark. Sounds like a plan. Means that's a good idea. Scene 3. Asking for directions. Automobile. Tourist. Excuse me, could you help me out? I'm looking for Central Park. Local. Oh, sure. It's just a few blocks away. Walk straight, then take a left at 5th Avenue. Tourist. Got it. Thanks a ton. Local. No problem. Enjoy your time in New York. Tourist. Will do. White right pointing backhand index. Key phrases. White heavy check mark. Could you help me out? A polite way to ask for help. White heavy check mark. It's just a few blocks away. Common in American cities. White heavy check mark. Thanks a ton. A friendly way to say thank you very much. Clapping hand sign. Great job, everyone. Now, it's your turn. Comment below with your favorite phrase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English practice videos. See you in the next one. Rock it.